Check out this 2011 Nissan Altima. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include keyless start, front-wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, auxiliary audio input, bucket seats, pass-through rear seat, rear bench seat and cruise control. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.